Before we moving to unpack a collection, let's learn about tuples, list, set, and dictionaries. Those are used to store multiple items in a single variable. List, tuple, set, dictionaries are built-in data type in Python. First, I'm going to discuss about list. In the next videos, I'll explain it one by one separately about list, tuple, set, dictionaries separately explained. I briefly said its syntax only in this video. You can create list like this. In the list, we include our data in square brackets like this: 12, 34, 56. Now, in unpackaging, we assign list name to 3 variables. We should create 3 variables. I create variables x, y, z because we have 3 values. Our 3 values common name is number. Therefore, x, y, z equal to number. We should create 3 variables and equal them to the list's name. After that, you can print them separately using variables. I'm going to print like this: x, y, z. If you want to get your values line by line, you can use this. See, now you can see your output. This is the list and unpacking of list. Secondly, I'm going to create tuple. In creating a tuple, we should use open close brackets. I change the variable name like name, and I give it 2 values. Now you should create 2 variables because you have 2 values and equal it to name. Now you should print A and B like this. Now you can see your names. This is a tuple. Third one is sets. In this case, we use curly brackets for creating the set. I give it to I give values like numbers. Change them. I'm going to comment this. This is our variable. Now you can print your values like this. This is unpackaging of sets. I'm going to comment it. Next, move on to the dictionaries. Now, we use curly braces and first I should give the name. What equal inside the curly braces you should give key and value like this. This is the dictionary's syntax. Key and value should be string. Model is the key. Data is the value. Color, I give it as red. What's the issue? Oh, you should separate it giving the comma. After give the one key and value, you should separate it from comma and give the next key and value next line. Now I'm going to unpackaging them using A, B. Car, print, now you can print only keys of car. You can't print your values. See, model and color. You can't type Toyota and red Can't type now. You can't see the dot and red. Thanks for watching. If you get something, don't forget to subscribe us, as well as I hope to explain everything about list, tuple, set and dictionaries.